हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम है अब्बास मौजी। आज हम लोग सी के अंदर करने वाले हैं स्ट्रिंग्स। सबसे पहले स्ट्रिंग्स क्या होता है? इज़ ए कलेक्शन ऑफ अल्फ़ाबेट्स। एक सिंपल डेफिनेशन स्ट्रिंग्स का। सेकेंड थिंग, स्ट्रिंग क्या होता है? इन सी प्रोग्रामिंग स्ट्रिंग्स इज ए सीक्वेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स टर्मिनेटेड विद अ नल कैरेक्टर /0, दैट इज if character C, the variable name is C, and these brackets are indicated that C is string, equal to double inverted quotation में C space string inverted commas close double quotation close semicolon. When the compiler encounters a sequence of a character enclosed in the double quotation mark, it depends on null character at the end by default. एट द एंड बाई डिफ़ॉल्ट हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? नल कैरेक्टर। बट अगर आपने कुछ इनपुट किए लाइक सी स्पेस स्ट्रिंग, तो मेमोरी डायग्राम में कैसे आएगा? सी जो है ये स्पेस का क्या रहता है? स्पेस भी इंक्लूड करता है। तो इस वजह से हम लोग जब भी स्ट्रिंग विथ स्पेस डालते हैं तो वो प्रिंट नहीं होता है, बिफोर स्पेस प्रिंट हो जाता है। सेकेंड, हाउ टू डिक्लेयर अ स्ट्रिंग। हियर हाउ यू कैन डिक्लेयर अ स्ट्रिंग कैरेक्टर एस एंड इन द ब्रैकेट्स 5. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is same like string arrays कहाँ से start होता है? 0 से in memory allocation. Here we have declared a string of 5 character. How to initialize your string? You can initialize string in a number of ways. First way, character C bracket empty ABCD, so this indicates that C के अंदर ABCD है। सेकेंड, आपने 50 दी है बट इसके अंदर ABCD इनपुट की है, ठीक है। थर्ड कैरेक्टर के अंदर आपने कुछ नहीं रखे बट हर एक को सेपरेटली ABCD और लास्ट वैल्यू नल। यहाँ ये क्या है? ये पूरा एक स्ट्रिंग है ABCD, यहाँ सेपरेट नहीं प्रिंट होंगे। यहाँ फर्स्ट में A, सेकेंड में B, थर्ड में C, फोर्थ में D, ओके। एंड द लास्ट वन इज ऑल्सो विद नंबर्स, ओके। Like this is C0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's make another example, that is character C5 equal to ABCDE. Here we are trying to assign 6 character. The last character is null to a character array having 5 character. This is bad and you should never do this. Why? Because you are giving the value of the array is 5 and you are inputting 6 alphabets, so this is wrong. Why? You have put it here 5, correct, but the array starts from 0, that is C of 1, C of 0, C of 1, C of 2, C of 3, C of 4. So here the values will become 6. This is 5 and the last value is null, okay. So don't do this. Assigning values to string, array and string are second class citizens in C. They do not support the assignment operator once it declared. For example, C character C100, C is equal to programming error. Array type is not assignable. Why? Because use the strcopy function to copy the string instead. Yeah. This here there is a array type is not assignable. Why? Because C equal to C space programming is wrong. Then we have here use strcopy function to copy the strings instead. Yeah, we will do this also. Read string from the user. You can use the scanf function to read a string. The scanf function read the sequence of a character until it encounters white space, new line, tab, etc. वो रीड करते रहेगा जब तक उसमें क्या आ जाए? ब्लैंक स्पेस या तो न्यू लाइन या तो टैब या तो एक्सेट्रा, तब भी वहाँ तक इनकाउंटर हो जाता है। स्कैनएफ टू रीड अ स्ट्रिंग एंड कैरेक्टर नेम में 20 printf एंटर नेम स्कैनएफ %s_n नेम योर नेम इज इक्वल टू %s_n नेम। यहाँ मैंने डाला डेनिस रिची, तो यहाँ उसने क्या किया? ओनली डेनिस रिटर्न करके दिया। वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द स्पेस। वी विल डू दिस नाउ. See here, even though Dennis Ritchie was entered in the above program, only Dennis was stored. Write the program new. Okay, so here hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, clr character s10 20, printf, enter name, scanf, percentage s comma n name, ns. Now printf your name is equal to percentage s comma name, get ch, enter name. Suppose if I enter here Abbas, so Abbas is the name, but here if I entered Abbas, so the name will be Abbas. Why? Because he doesn't count the white space. This is the first example. Even though Danish Richie was entered in the above program, only Danish was stored in the name string. It is because there was a white space, white after Danish. How to read a line of the text? If you can use the fgets function to read a line of string, and you can use puts to display the string. For example, if you want to display the string with the spacing, so what you have to do, you have to do fgets name, first of all, size of name dot stdin. Okay, read the string. Okay, this is the line for the read the string, and display the string you have to put name. You can try it here. What you have to do here, this will be here. You have to delete this. You have to delete this also. Here I have to put only s. Okay, enter name. Here fgets. Here I will put s, size of, and here I will put s, comma stdin. Okay, here size of s, yeah, and up is s. Printf name, and here puts name, get ch is there. Okay, we do here and define the symbol name. Here you have to put s because ऊपर मैंने s define करके रखा है. If I wrote Abbas Mahmoud Masood, so I will return the all. Here I can increase the here Abbas मैं change already. So you will return it completely with the blanks. This is fgets and this is puts. Okay, put is to display and here to read. Okay, I will maximize say. First of all, we did void main clr character and its size. Enter the name. Here instead of scanf you will use fgets, the variable name, size of s, stdin, printf name, and here you will put and the variable name. Here we have used fgets function to read a string from the user. Fgets name size of stdlin. This read the string. The size name result to 30. Hence we can take a maximum of 30 character as input, which is size of the name string. To print the string we have used puts name. Note, the gets function can also be input from the user, however it is removed from the C standard. It is because gets allow you to input any length of characters, hence there might be a buffer overflow. Passing string to a function. String can pass to a function in a similar way as array. Okay. Example, this is a string passing to a function. First of all, we will create the function void display string character and the string integer main. Here is our function. Here we will do the program. Character string 50. Enter a string. A string, yeah, fget string of str stdin. Display string, here passing string to a function get ch. Here what we'll do, printf string output, and in the puts we will print the string. Here you will see the output. What we are doing, we are taking our string, we are passing string to a function. Here we are taking the input in the main void main, and we are printing it on the void display string, that is our created function. So we will do the program. We have to delete this all. Here I will do void main. Here I will do clr scr. Okay, यहाँ character str50. Here printf. Enter string fgets str comma size of str stdin. Display string, you can put any name, it's your function name only. So here I will pass my string here, and I will do get ch, and here close. Here I will make my function display display string, and here I will pass it character str bracket empty, here close, and I will copy this shift and home, alt E copy, and I will make the paste. Okay, and here I will put the semicolon. We are done from here. I will print the statement. Printf string output. Here puts str near bracket close. Enter a string. My name is Abbas. My name is Abbas. For example, hello world. My name is Abbas. String output is hello world. My name is Abbas. Okay, here hello all. So here he is printing with this space also and the same. This is same like the previous program but with our function. You can take the input from here and print your output here. This is the basically this is our function. What is the function name? Display string. Okay, you can make it anything you want, but when you are passing it to this function, you have to write the proper name as it is below. Okay, so this was our third example, and now we have these most commonly used string functions. One is str, len, copy, compare and concatenate. So we will do with them. First of all, here I will do void main. Here I will do character A. Here I will do 20. Okay, printf, enter your name. Okay, scanf, %s, and a, right? strupr a, printf your name in uppercase is equal to %s, a. Okay, and here get ch, and here bracket close. Okay, here strupr should have a prototype, so we have to include hash include string dot h. Okay, and here we will run Abbas. He will return it in a capital. 1 minute. CLR SCR, and here I will run the program. I will enter your name in a lowercase. Suppose for example, if I entered it Abbas, so you will return it with a uppercase. Okay, and you want it in a lower, so you have to change this LWR. Okay, and here if you enter it in a capital Abbas, you will get it in a lower. Okay, then we have str copy cpy, str cpy a comma b comma a, or a comma b. First already enter your name, printf, enter your last name. Okay, here scanf, %s, and b, right? Here will be comma, b is also 20. Your name is and your last name will be copy paste will be, and here your last name Bas Mauji. So he copied the A into B, like, see, this is my first name, right, Abbas, and this is my last name, Mauji. So your name is also Mauji and your last name is also Mauji. Why? Because he put it B, he copied the B alphabet, B character in A, and if you want the opposite, you have to do like this. So you will get Abbas in the both side. Okay, this is STR copy, and we have another one, that is we did lower upper STR. We will do compare, concatenate, and length in the next lecture. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can message me in the comment box. Thank you.